The other very exciting thing here is this project, it's paramount. It shows how progress and preservation go hand in hand using this drone technology.
Data captured with a state-of-the-art drone will help contractors effectively construct and safely develop the $870 million A-Ila Resorts project at Morne Pimard while preserving the environment. In May 2024, a sword-turning ceremony signaled the start of the multi-million-dollar project aimed at transforming the tourism hub of Rodney Bay and adding significant value to St. Lucia's tourism product.
You know, when you have that bird's eye view and you're up high, you can see where the shoreline exactly is, you know, and make decisions to move the project back, move it forward. You can make decisions very detailed, like to the centimeter, of where the construction is going to occur. You can also watch if the shoreline was eroding. You could see, you can measure, so yesterday, today, tomorrow, you can see how nature is occurring.
Professor Joe Perry of the Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University is providing assistance to the USCEM group with the project. He says the introduction of this technology will allow contractors to make real-time decisions.
So the drones that we're using here on site, they use RTK technology, so they're very precise, down to 3-centimeter accuracy. And the advantage is this drone is here on site ready to be deployed and get real-time data to make not only does it monitor on a weekly, daily basis, but they can make real-time decisions with a different view than just being on the ground.
Professor Perry embraces the training of students.
We get to have students involved in a real-time construction project, and as you said, this is the latest, greatest technology. Not only the drone that just came, this is a drone that just came out, but also the system that it operates on is also brand new to the industry as well. So the students are getting the newest technology, the experience in the system on a real project, not just a textbook scenario.
USCEM Group welcomes the partnership with the university.
This collaboration will not only help us to work effectively and efficiently, and also will help for the future collaborations.
Data collected from the drone will go into a cloud-based system to inform decisions about the project at Morne Pimard. It is hoped that A-Ila Resorts will contribute to increasing the island's room stock with 520 rooms across diverse accommodation concepts. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.